In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can prevent yourself from getting calls from strangers on WhatsApp. How to prevent people from calling you on WhatsApp. Very much simple and easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So to do this, you just need to hop on your settings like this, and then you move to this side. So on here, you move to our privacy, and now let's scroll down here. Good. So you can see calls here. So you cannot solely block them from calling you, but then you can silence their call. So in this case, you're not going to get any ring from them on WhatsApp. You're just going to be seeing their missed calls. So you decide to call them or not. Simple as that. So now let's tap on here. So you can see here, you need to turn this on like this. So in this case, if you've not saved someone's number and the person calls you, your phone is not going to ring, even if you're online. It's going to be silent, and then you get a missed call from them, something like that. So this is how you can prevent strangers from worrying you on WhatsApp, calling you and the rest. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.